Yeah, I think they walked up.
Whoa, Steve! Caught it! Caught it that time, did you see?
Alright, come on.
I'm coming.
Fucking hungry. Stupid ass. She's in neutral. Let her. Don't hit a car, damn it. Oh man, I almost had it on tape. That's her. She don't like that turn. What the hell is it with you in that turn?
It's this turn.
No shit, it's easy as hell. You're not neutral all the way down. And I might have got that on tape. Might have.
I won't, sir. I broke my shoe. Have to go home. Look.
Push it back.
Look, did you get me on video on that?
I don't know.
Did you get this? Get all this.
Come on.
Get all of it.
I am.
I think I broke this.
You didn't break nothing.
I took a second still.
She can't do that turn for shit.
Alright ladies, I don't know if you actually seen me took a spill, but I was riding a motorcycle. I was trying to learn how to ride a motorcycle. So I'm going to show you, I fell twice. Yes, twice. So I'm going to show you my boo-boos. They hurt so fucking bad actually. So, but I'm going to show you, I don't know if you actually seen the fall, but if you didn't, here's the aftermath of the fall. So. Right here is a boo-boo, right there is a boo-boo, and, whoa, sorry, right there is a boo-boo, look, it's all juicy, it hurts like fuck. Then this leg, here is boo-boos, so yeah, yummy, and then over here there's like a little bit of bruising and boo-boos there too, so. I just was fucking around, and yeah, so make sure you wear jeans when you ride a bike for your very first time, or if you're trying to learn. Wear jeans and boots, because I fucked my feet up too. So, just a little lesson, and yeah, I thought that would be a fun little thing for you to watch, a little short video on me trying to learn how to ride a bike, so yeah, okay. See you later. Hey, and remember, if you're new, please don't forget to click that subscribe button right there. And if you're not, I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.